Hello and welcome to our next lecture and video from this course on how to create graphic designs using Crello, a free online cloud-based app. Now, as you have previously seen in the other lectures, this is how your dashboard looks like after you have signed inside the app. And what we want to show you in this video and lecture is how you can create a presentation using Crello. We believe that this is a very powerful function that the app offers to its users, and it's something that it can be very helpful for you, especially if you are a speaker, a trainer, or if you create webinars or online trainings, or if you have to deliver different types of materials for your job or for your clients. So basically what we will have to do right now is select from the featured designs here to create a design presentation thumbnail. Okay, we will click on this option and the editor will open for us. If we look in the left side, you will see that we have different templates, okay, free and paid ones. Now, something very interesting that you will see is this: when you go with the cursor of the mouse over a presentation that you want to choose, you will see these numbers, this number here, 5. What does this mean? That for this presentation, you have a set of slides, actually 5 slides. Now, first things first, we can also choose our category before actually editing the template. So we can see the templates for a specific category. So let's say that we want to choose a specific category. So it's more easier for us to choose the right type of template. We just press on the choose category button. Let's say that we want in business and finance. We will select the business and finance option. And you will see that we have templates only for business and finance. Now let's select this one, okay, the third one. We just select it, and you can see right now that we have, okay, the slides here. This is the main slide and the other 4 templates for slides. Okay, so how do we use this? For example, we select the first slide, and after we have selected the first slide, obviously we can edit all of the elements of the slide, add new elements, okay, from the left side menu from here, like text, photos. We can change the background, add different objects from here, borders, stickers, frame, illustrations, and so on. We will go about what type of elements you can add to your projects in a different lecture. And after you are done with the slide, probably you want to go to the next slide, right? And you will see that in the right part of your screen, of your dashboard and of the editor, you have the option to add a new page. Okay, it's very simple. So you can add a new page. But we go back to designs. Let's delete this one. And how do we add a new page? We just put it here. Okay, it actually it changed the first one. So we have to create a new page first. We add the new page. Okay, we add a new page. Let's insert graphics right now. And you can see that all of the pages will appear here. The first one should be our home one. Okay, so you have all of the pages here in the right side menu. So this is how you create a presentation. Now, after you have created your presentation, edited it, and it's ready, you just press the download button. It will save it for you. You can save either all the pages or some of the pages. You will save all the pages probably. And in most cases, in terms of presentations, you'll probably want to go for PDF standard. Okay, you won't want all the slides to be as separated images. You will want them to be in a PDF standard. And we will select the PDF standard option. It will prepare the pages to be downloaded. You can see here you have a progress bar and everything. 2 out of 3 pages prepared. Bear with me for a couple of seconds so you can see exactly how this works. All of the pages have been prepared. The design is ready, and you can see that it has been automatically downloaded to my computer and opened as a PDF. And if we will scroll down, we can see all the pages like a normal presentation. Pretty cool, right? So this is how Crello works for creating presentations. As I've told you, it's a very powerful tool for that. You have very cool templates. It's a pity not to use it in this purpose. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next